This gluten-free vegan plum pie looks like a lot of work, but it's very doable. Start with preparing the pasty cream by adding water, coconut milk, custard, sugar and vanilla. Keep on stirring until the custard cream starts to thicken and starts bubbling. Turn off the heat and let the custard cool. Prepare the dough by using buckwheat flour, sugar and custard. Stir in coconut milk, apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Add some olive oil and knead the dough until it's firm and soft. You can stiffen the dough by putting it in the fridge for 30 minutes, but if you're impatient like me, just use it right away. Cut the plums. I decided to use halves because they are pretty, but you could use some smaller parts, so cut it as small as you wish. Divide the cream on the dough and put the plum on top. Use some sugar and put it in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or so until the dough is formed and a bit brownish. Let the plum pie cool in the fridge for 2 hours and decorate with some extra sugar. And don't forget to enjoy your efforts. Thanks for watching.